4. Epson Stylus C88 Plus, User's Choice. Epson Stylus C88 Plus is a very reliable printer for beginners. This printer for sublimation printing is among the top-rated products because of its lightweight body and simple design with premium quality features. It can print at the maximum resolution of 5760 x 1440 dpi, making it a good choice for beginners so that they can print their favorite designs and textures on t-shirts, mugs, and other products. There are several features to count in Stylus C88 Plus. This printer boasts a compact and lightweight design with a high-quality printing speed to deal with your work effortlessly. As a beginner, you will be able to deal with it easily. It can print on a paper size of 8.5 x 14 or any sheets easily, making it ideal for sublimation projects. If you have a brief time frame and you have to deal with loads of work, then Stylus C88 Plus can deal with it at 14 ppm easily. There is a paper plate in this sublimation printer that can take 120 sheets all at once, which isn't unreasonably many, yet you actually will not need to refeed it often. The printing speed is fast, so you may have to replace sheets often. Overall, it may be a good choice for you, allowing you to get your prints from a USB or Ethernet, but it lacks the support for Wi-Fi, which keeps it one step behind the other printers that I have listed here. Product link given below in description.